Uploading catalog. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to upload a catalog file. When you click on the Load Catalog option from the Map Catalogs menu on the left menu, the file you want to upload is selected from the window that appears. In the panel that appears after the catalog file is loaded, the layers in the catalog file are listed on the Layers page. There is an activation button next to each layer. The buttons next to the layers to be loaded on the map are activated. Then the layers are added to the map with the Save button. Added layers are listed in the layer box. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.